Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Wilson, and I'll be with you doing a short video. I hope this video encouraged you. I hope you learned from this video. Today I'll be talking about tips to win in family court. Or you can probably use this video and some of the information in any court. But this video is tips to win in family court. I don't know what you're doing with going to family court or if you're prepared to go to family court, but I hope this prepare you to go to family court and to actually win. If you can settle, that's better than going to trial. But if you have to go to trial, good luck. If you represent yourself by yourself without an attorney, pro se or pro bono, good luck with that too. It's always good to have an attorney represent you. It's always good to have knowledge and information. And I hope today that I can give you knowledge and information and tips to win in family court. Tips to win in family court. Family court case, representing yourself in family court case, is to know your story. Be prepared to tell the judge who you are, why you're on court, what you want the court to do, and what you want the court to see fit to do. Tips for representing yourself and family court is to be prepared. Make sure that you rehearse your story or testimony on time for court. Please be on time for court. You never know when the judge is going to approach the bench and call court in order. Appearances and dress appropriate and prepared any exhibits that you wish to give to the court ahead of time. Roughly, I say if you have any exhibits or if you have any evidence, you should present that 10 to 20 days before trial. So all parties and opposing sides can look over it, review it, and if they have questions, they can ask them. For representing yourself in a family court matter is to stick to the important points of your case. Don't get caught up trying to mud, slag, or score points against the other party, which is also called the opposing party. Remember what you are trying to do and trying to prove to the court, and stick to those important points. Tips for representing yourself in family court is to do your best to understand the process, what to expect before each hearing. Extremely important to talk to friends and family that may have been through the process before. Much research and ahead of time so that you can anticipate what's with each situation or court appearances going on. The more you can understand ahead of time, better prepare you will be for your court appearance for representing yourself in a family court matter. Don't be afraid to compromise. If the judge have decided your case, there is chance that you won't win. So if a judge have to decide your case, there is no chance you may win, but it's not guaranteed you won't win. Everything that you want hearing and also lead more frictions between the parties. Try not to argue, dispute, or yell at each other in court. It doesn't help each and every one of you. The parents is able to achieve goals while compromising. If you compromise with the other side, you're able to achieve goals that may be better result in the long run when it comes to family and your children. Nothing is more important. I highly recommend that you hire an attorney for best results, but if you are afraid of an attorney, remember the tips that we discussed today to know your story. Be prepared. Rehearse situations that went on. Bring proof of order protections. Bring proof of police reports. Document things down. Situations, incidents, what the other person did not do, what the other person should have done. Things that you asked of the other person to do and they did not do it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you find these tips to be helpful. Don't forget to look out for loopholes. If you find a loophole, grab the loophole and have a strategy before you get to court. Have a strategy A, B, and C, because it helps having different strategies. Go through storylines of incidents that happened, that occurred. If you have children and your children complained about something, document it down. If you have visitation rights, if you supposed to have a visitation schedule, document everything down so when you get to court, you have all your papers stacked. I don't care if you have to come there with wheelbarrows of paperwork, school records, doctor records, ACS and CPS reports on the opposing side. Hire an investigator to follow the children and opposing side to see if they're doing anything wrong, like speeding, driving the children with a suspended license, smoking or doing drugs in front of the children, or even at the child residence while visiting the other parent. Any police reports or incident reports at the other opposing side household in a year's time, or as long as they've been there. I hope this video helps you in representing yourself in family court. Please give me a thumbs up. Please, if you want to see another video concerning something else, inbox me, contact me and say, I want to see a video on this. Again, I hope this video helped you, and I look forward to hearing and seeing you again.